Keep going.
Hey YouTube, what's up? Back with another video. So today we're going to be going to organize and putting up everything. So first, we're just going to start with like the stuff has to be freeze because we don't want it to get like, you know what I mean, like melted and stuff like that. So we're going to start with the deep freezer. We're going to start with the pieces because they keep them falling. So come on, y'all. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna have to organize a little bit.
Melt the before it melts.
Was this in the delivery?
No, it's supposed to be with the
Yeah, Mom,
It's supposed to be with the Tylenol and the Theraflu.
I know, Mom.
They better not have charged me.
No, Mom, this is the delivery.
We're gonna put the busted ice cream. Mom, I have to watch this. No, I'll just leave it as is. It got busted.
Just melt it, cause it's.
So I'm gonna put this in the freezer. We're gonna do the ground beef.
Mom, try to finish these ones before you use any more, cause we need this space, and you're not really. Are you really eating these?
Yeah.
Go try to put it at the top. Yeah, there you go. Let's go on there. That's it?
Nope.
For the, oh.
Oh, we got some chicken nuggets down.
Keep your dinner. Put it down. Thank you. There you go.
I think that's all for the deep freezer. Now y'all ready to do the refrigerator.
Put them on her side.
Okay. These are grandma's?
Put them on her side. Is that her counting?
Grandma. These are yours. Count them. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
Sorry, y'all. I'm not trying to go behind her, but. That's our stuff, Nevaeh.
I know these are
Oh,
yours.
okay. Put that one on top. No, the lunch meat. Sorry about that. Because I don't want, you know how people in the house open up and be like, why y'all didn't use the stuff that was already open?
They don't have more Mexican cheese.
And that's hers. You can put her on her side.
Okay.
She don't have to count that. She'll see it when she opens her door.
on the move.
Hold on. Let me see.
That's a watermelon. Small.
Mm-hmm. That's already cracked. Don't make it crack, cause I kind of broke that part.
Y'all, it's my baby.
Hmm. Sorry, I didn't know you was that close.
Couldn't catch it. Tried.
Put that in there. Here. I know. Cuddle bear, move. Move. Cuddle bear, move. Keep going. Cuddle. This is all we have left, y'all. But we're going to check back with y'all. Okay, y'all, we are done. This is the finished product.
Those are yours. Okay, well, let's end the video. So, thanks for watching and peace.